Well, I came to Medellin, to Bioaccelerator because it was recommended to me by a friend who had great things to say about the place in terms of helping him with his disease and his recovery. And I kind of tried everything before really researching and looking into stem cells. And then I did a lot of research and I found, this is the best clinic in the world that does what they do. I kind of just went forward with it, went 100% with it. I was training for a mixed martial arts fight and I was thrown incorrectly and I landed on my back and I had 4 discs that slipped out and just basically never healed. I continued my weight training, continued my fitness and just made it worse. Did my MRIs, did my tests, and turns out it was a pretty bad injury that turned chronic, and it would have been 3 years in March that I would have been living with this pain. And I'm a young guy, don't want to go through the rest of my life living with back pain, and kind of just makes you not want to do anything. I wanted to turn my life around and get my fitness back and get my positivity back. I tried all sorts of physio. I tried, cupping, acupuncture, deep tissue massage. I tried PRP treatment, which is the only thing Canada has to try and get your body to heal itself. Nothing worked. Right back where I started every time. Maybe I'd get a day of relief here, maybe a week sometimes here, but no long-term relief and no end goal in sight. So that's what really led me to search for something that can really fix the problem. I had the IV drip stem cells, and then yesterday I had the intradiscal application. I actually wanted surgery and was kind of pushing my doctors for it back home, and they didn't want to operate on me because the nature of my injury has a lot of risk, and they just kept giving me pain relievers or anti-inflammatory. Kind of had to start doing my own research. I love the new clinic. I can't compare it to the old one, never been, but it's very clean. There's still a little bit of construction here and there, but that didn't interfere in any of the the treatment protocols or anything. Everyone is just super helpful, really great, professional. You feel like you're really in an expert environment, and I really feel that they want to see you do well. They want to see you improve. Even now we had our final consult with the doctors, and they're going to check up on us in a month, in 3 months. We have all their WhatsApp numbers so we can keep in touch with them for our diet and everything. I felt really well taken care of here by the staff, which was really warming, because I'm thinking I'm coming to Medellin, Colombia. Maybe the clinic might not be the newest or the cleanest, but all my expectations were shattered, like way above and beyond. We did one of the local tours on a Wednesday to a Comuna 13, which was excellent. I really liked it. The tour guide was knowledgeable. The food here so far is amazing, very flavorful, tons of different types of food to try. Still haven't tried everything that was recommended to me by friends back home, but it's a new experience trying the empanadas, their local tacos, and it's great. I love kind of taking in the new culture. I have quite a few friends back home. One of my good friends used to play in the OHL. And he has knee problems. His friend also is an athlete who is interested, also has knee and elbow problems from sports. So right away I have 2 friends I'm going to recommend this to who are going to come for treatment 100%. People should take advantage of that, and try to get their lives back. So I'm definitely going to be recommending.